Hi guys, Melon here. I'm here to show y'all some Texas farm life. So here you go. Some geese here in the background. I can see them. They're really loud. But I'm here now in Texas on the farm. So I'll show y'all a little bit of what we have here. This is my real life Stardew Valley. I'm hunting for some duck eggs right now. Haven't found any yet, but we'll see. Duck egg. Time to go mushroom hunting. Oh yeah. You just grab them? Oh, those are really big over here. Alright guys, so that concludes our farm life with Melon. I'm going to show you some of the donkeys here. You see them in the back? There's some donkeys and the cows are over here. Let's see if we can go over there. Donkey's looking at me right now. He's like, what's going on? Alright, here are some cows. We've got a longhorn over here too. Look how pretty they are. Look how pretty these cows are. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're getting up. Look at that longhorn. Look how beautiful that longhorn is. So beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Look at that beauty. Thanks for watching today. Hopefully y'all had fun. We'll see y'all later.